A lot of you have requested for Capcut Premium, and the last one I posted on this channel, I encountered issue, is a risk. I'm not going to do anything in this video, but I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You will see a link there that says join my group. Click on that link and join my WhatsApp group. When you join my WhatsApp group, inside that WhatsApp group, you will see whatever version that you want. Okay, there is version 14.6, I think, there, and there is also version 13.8. The last version we used on this channel was a version 13.9. okay, and there is a series of tutorials that is going on this channel, Mr. Fintech, on CapCut, editing with CapCut. You can check out the playlist there. Okay, I'll paste the playlist now. You can see it on top of this video. You can check out the playlist and check out the awesome videos that are there. Okay, more videos are coming in one by one. Okay, we are dealing with the features in CapCut one after the other. All right, so I've done a couple of videos on it and you can check them out. Okay, and if there is any particular maybe effect or particular thing you want to do or edit on CapCut but you don't know how to do it, you can message me or drop your comment in the comment section of this video. Drop your question there so that I can attend to it, and in my next video I will be able to make a video on that particular issue and get your problem solved. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to this channel, and hit the bell icon. Very important, because if you subscribe without hitting the bell icon, you will not be notified whenever I drop a new video.